Hey folks, this is Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find the highest paying annuities that are on the market in the United States today. Here at the Annuity Expert, we have an income annuity calculator that shows you the payouts from 50 different companies. And you're going to be able to know in real time exactly what the potential income that you could receive on a contractually guaranteed basis. So go over to Google, type in the Annuity Expert, come here to the calculators menu, retirement-based calculator, annuity calculator, and here you're going to be able to estimate your payout in real time. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down here. You're going to put in your age. This is really important. And if you're turning a year older within 60 days of the day that you're running a quote, go ahead and put that number in before what your current age is, because it usually takes about 30 days to issue an application. And by the time that you have the policy in hand, it's going to be your nearest birthday. Okay. And that affects what your payout is. Typically, the older you are, the higher the payout percentage that you're going to receive. So go in here, type in 55, make sure you plug in your states. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. Plug in how much money you are looking to invest into an annuity. So we're going to go 500,000 here. And then when you want to start your income. So if we want to start it after 5 years, day one of year 6, you're going to go after 5 years. You're going to plug in your math problem, 11, and you're going to get your quote. Now, it's important that you put in that age and be accurate about age. It's important to put in your resident state because every state has different product selections. So please be accurate with that. We don't want you to be over-promised and under-delivered. And then you're going to get your payout. Now, we don't put the insurance companies on the comparison, as most insurance companies don't want to be consumer-facing. They want everything to be anonymous until you speak to a financial professional like the Annuity Expert. And just for those who are finding us out for the first time, the Annuity Expert is an independent annuity broker and life and health insurance agency and retirement planning firm. And here we have the largest selection of annuity products in all 50 states. So if you're looking for an annuity, your best bet is to contact us. And at the very minimum, get a second opinion or a comparison. There's no obligation to you. So going back to this, you don't have to plug in your information here if you don't want to. If you want us to run a quote, what will happen here is an email will be sent to us, and then we'll get what's called a one-sheet heat map that'll show you the different income payouts with the insurance companies, so you can see at a very high level of what your annuity income potential could be. Okay, so if you want that, just fill that out here. If you don't, no worries. So you're going to go here. Here's your financial rating of the company. Here's the annual income amount that you'll get for the rest of your life. Here's what that income will total over 10 years. This is how much the income will total over 30 years. Some items on this calculator that does not quote, and you're going to have to contact us to get the quote, is when you purchase an annuity for lifetime income, you typically have 4 different payouts. Okay, the most popular one is the level payout. Okay, and that's going to pay an income for the rest of one person's life. And then when that person dies, whatever's left in the account will go down to the beneficiaries in a lump sum. The second option is an increasing income option that helps with inflation. And this calculator does not show that. The third option is what's called an advanced payout. And the advanced payout is when it's going to give you a higher payout up front, and typically for the first 10 years of owning the contract. And then in year 11, that high payout decreases to about half of what it promised you. So if you notice here, $73,095 is a significant increase from $51,573 here. That's because this is an advanced payout income, okay? And so this is what you could get for the first 10 years, and then it'll likely drop down to half of this number, all right? The rest of them here, if it equals to the 10-year total, then you're going to be just fine. This is the level payout. This is the most popular payout, okay? And then the fourth annuity payout option is the joint life payout, and it doesn't show that on this calculator. You have to request that as well. And like the level payout, but it covers 2 lifetimes. So it'll pay a fixed payment for the rest of your life and your spouse's life. And then whatever is left in the annuity at the time of both of your deaths will go down to beneficiaries in a lump sum. Okay, so if you want to get more information, go ahead and enter your information here, or you can call us here at 770-755-1565. And then you go down here, here's the instructions, how to use the calculator. You're going to talk about the factors that influence annuity payments. You're going to see a nice little educational video, how annuities can protect against a stock market crash. You're going to learn the difference between annuitization and a guaranteed income rider. Annuitization, you give up all control of your money, you don't earn interest, and there might not be a death benefit, where adding a guaranteed lifetime income rider fixes all those problems that annuitization causes. Okay, then you're going to look at the different payout options, and then you're going to see how much an annuity could cost you. Okay, minimum premiums here, riders and add-ons, fees for adding on an income rider, liquidity, etc. And then you're going to have some tips here on how to buy annuities. And then there's a series of questions that most of our clients ask us, and we put that down here at the bottom of the page so you can see what other visitors and clients of the Annuity Expert are asking, so you can make a confident decision in whether an annuity is a good fit for you or not. So that concludes our video on how to find the highest income annuity payouts. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. There's no obligation, 770-755-1565. And you can visit us here anonymously at the Annuity Expert. Thanks and have a great day.